The content on this channel has been created for adults. If you're not at least 13 years of age or older, then please do not watch this content. Sorry, dude. Come back when you're 13.
Yeah, baby girl. You know what I want to do. Come on. Yeah, baby girl.
Yo, what's up, guys? Welcome back to another reaction. It's your homie Phew Chase, aka Chosen Effect, back on the deck, getting ready to wreck the set. You already know it. Hey, yo, T-REV. Y'all remember T-REV? He freaking dropped that diss on Nick. Remember, y'all? Remember him and his dad freaking dropped that freaking track and it went off. Well, yo, T-REV is back. And y'all remember that whole Upchurch thing, man, that just lately, you know, Hosier and Shotgun Shane was whatever. I don't even know the whole sitch properly, but y'all know that's one of the reasons why freaking Upchurch made that dope freaking skill shot freaking track. If you don't know about it, you better go check it out. It was dope. And I've done a reaction to it as well, so you can check that out on the channel as well. But yeah, it was fire. Anyways, Upchurch's got a bit of an army, man. Y'all should know this. Like, he's got a lot of people who freaking love him. He's got a lot of people who's got his back. And yo, so T-REV has come out and dropped something right here. Broke backs. And this is a freestyle. So let's see what he freaking is cooking with. Let's go, let's get it.
Squad in the building, man. What up, shit gun stain and fucking blozer?
Okay, I can see this is gonna be funny, man. Let's go.
Fucking blozer. I'm freestyling right now, by the way, man. Look. Let's get it, man. Check it out. Your name is shit gun stain and you think you are a rapper, but you a Hosier were a natural fucking disaster.
Woo! Yo, man, y'all, yo, T-REV, man, seriously, man, if you're watching this, homie, I told you I was gonna react to another one of your tracks, by the way. So, yo, here we are, we back. I got you, man. I got you, man. Y'all, go check out T-REV's stuff, man. Go support him. He's another freaking rapper out there that's doing his thing and is underrated, man. Let's keep going, man.
I'll murder you on this beat. Send you through the wall, creeping on the other side like you Casper. Shit gun stain, I see you on Insta.
See you on the other side like you Casper.
Stain, I see you on Instagram talking all that fucking.
By the way, in case y'all know, Casper the ghost, other side, Casper's a ghost, so he's, just in case y'all didn't know Casper. There might be someone that didn't know. Come on.
I see you on Instagram talking all that fucking shit about your neck like you're the man. Like you gon' run up on Adam and punch him in his fucking neck, but you will get choked out and put to sleep at best.
Woo! Punch your neck, choke out, put you to sleep. You know when y'all caught that. Let's keep going, man. T-REV, yo, what's up?
Sleep at best. Listen, I'm a fucking savage. You and fucking blows can come and lick on my cabbage. Come get it.
Savage, man. Y'all go lick on his cabbage. He's not talking about the vegetable.
Can come and lick on my cabbage. Come get it. Let's be honest, your music just makes me vomit. If you want it with the kid, I'll attack you like I'm Osama. I'll let you.
Your music makes him want to vomit, man. Attack you like he's Osama.
I'm at your fucking neck and I'm about to just bring the drama. You don't want it with the kid, I'm probably fucking baby mama. I got my dick up in that bitch like a llama. Yeah, shit gun stain and hoes are looking like some hobbits. When I listen to you bitches flow, it's like the Great Depression. Every song I heard from you bitches, I'm seeing no progression.
Damn. Damn. That was a bar. Hold on, let me rewind that.
Flow, it's like the Great Depression. Every song I heard from you bitches, I'm seeing no progression.
Like the freaking depression, you know, the Great Depression, and then see no progression. Y'all got that? That was a bar, man. Y'all got that. I don't need to break that down. Let's go.
Heard from you bitches, I'm seeing no progression. Let's be honest, y'all are acting like you're Katie cause you wanna suck a dick so you can taste the fucking gravy. It blows.
Did y'all hear? Y'all acting like Katie? Y'all know Katie, y'all know Katie. Freaking, cause y'all wanna suck. I don't need to explain that. Y'all got it. We ain't gonna even go there. Why did I explain gravy?
Fucking gravy. If Blozier and Stain had a baby, it would be a spitting image of that ugly bitch named Katie. Yo, you know it's all in the game. Hosier keep fucking around and end up a shotgun stain. See these two pussies playing on the playground, spitting monkey bars, swinging around dicks like a broke back mountain spar. Yo.
He freestyled this too, he says, man. This is pretty... Man. I don't even know nothing about those two guys, man. Like, I missed out on the whole thing. Something happened. I don't know, man. But anyways, all I know is that they're getting owned. It sucks to be you right now. You're having a Nick experience, man. That's what I'm saying. Jeez, man. People coming out the woodwork at you, bro. And they're freaking... like, they're killing you. Let's keep going.
Dicks like a broke back mountain spar. Y'all true lovers should do a collab rap about your stupid love life and call it a gay fan. Shit stain shame, you're the only one to blame. I heard you got the salary, so I'ma come and get a place. You want a little fame, trying to get it off Ryan's name. So now it's time to go to church so I can watch you bitches pray. Lyrically.
Time to go to church so I can watch you guys pray. Hey, yo. Man, T-REV, man, shout out to you, man. You're freaking getting slept on a bit. I think that you deserve a bit more recognition on these tracks. I didn't even know it. I didn't even know it was out. I just stumbled across it now. But yo, seriously, bro, keep doing you, bro. Keep doing you.
So now it's time to go to church so I can watch you bitches pray. Lyrically, I'm about to take a shit on your chemistry. You finally got a hook from Adam. Physically, don't want to make some history.
Woo! I like that. Let's play that.
Lyrically, I'm about to take a shit on your chemistry. You finally got a hook from Adam. Physically, don't want to make some history.
Yo!
Don't wanna make some history? I dare y'all try to spit at me. I'll make your body lean like you suffer from muscular dystrophy. What?
Oh, jeez, that's just wrong. Man, you didn't have to go there, man. Come on, man. That's. Let's keep going.
Muscular dystrophy. Why the fuck you using Eminem's lines, trying to come at Ryan, knowing all that shit is a lie? Let's take a quarter, try again, you're face to face with a line. You wanna hop up in the brain, call me up and come try. You claim you're the wordsmith, but you're the master at crying. I'll give you a fucking concussion when I'm slinging this iron. How's your name? Shotgun, but you ain't never pulled the trigger. Go ahead and grab the hoe and make sure you do it quick. Do it quick. Hit your blood quick like you're sipping liquor. Hope you bitches die slow like poison hitting your liver. Yo, grab some Mo Vaseline. That was fire. That was fire.
What? Yo, that's a diss track, and he freestyled apparently, man. That's what he said. If that was straight off the dome, seriously, like if he really just freestyled that whole thing and made it flow and come together like that, I gotta say that was a good effort, man, because that just all worked nicely. It was really done well, man. Like, shout out to you, T-REV, man. Yo, telling you, man, y'all go check his channel out. Go show him some love, man. I was talking to T-REV. We gonna do something soon. We talking about on this collab situation. Get some T-REV up on it. Be dope. He brings the T-REV thing, he's doing his thing. But yo, man, show him some love. Show him some love, guys. Got some freaking dope stuff there happening on his channel. Make sure you go over there, show him a little love, man, because we need to. There's a lot of artists out here that are just getting slept on that have actual real skills and talent. And yo, man, yeah, we need to just help get them out there, man, so other people can discover some new talent that has bars, basically. Anyways, guys, remember to live each moment to the fullest and keep it off tap. We're out.